हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू Carax भक्ति कार्स। सो आज हमारे पास वेन्यू गाड़ी आया है, उसमें हम लोगों ने HP का डैश कैम इंस्टॉल किया है U818 मॉडल। हम लोग जाके कस्टमर का रिव्यू लेंगे।
I was looking for a product with a genuine name of the company or the brand, so I choose HP. HP worldwide is recognized. That was the one, but I also got to know that as per my experience, HP, whatever resolution has been mentioned on the camera, they provide the exact same resolution, and that was one reason. Second was the safety feature of ADAS and loop recording and parking sensor. These were the basic criteria for my and besides that, the wide angle, that was one of the another criteria because of which I chose HP. And it's a fantastic resolution so far. It's good, and the experience in installation with Carax was also fantastic. This is the Go Moto app, and this is recording live on my mobile. And this is a rear camera recording, and the front also is being recorded, and you can see the complete wide angle of more than 150 degrees here. So I can always monitor this on my mobile app.